In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint, official. First, let's make sure your account is eligible. Copilot is available only with a Microsoft 365 subscription that includes Copilot Access. If your plan doesn't include it, the Copilot option simply won't appear in PowerPoint. If you're not sure about your plan, check your subscription details or ask your organization's administrator. This saves time before you start troubleshooting something that's actually a licensing limitation. Next, open PowerPoint and sign in with the Microsoft 365 account that has Copilot enabled. If you use multiple accounts, double-check you're signed into the correct one. You can confirm by going to the account page inside PowerPoint and verifying the signed-in account matches the one with Copilot Access. Now update PowerPoint to ensure you're on a supported build. In PowerPoint, go to File, then Account, choose Update Options, and select Update Now. Let the update complete, and when it's done, restart PowerPoint. This refresh is important because Copilot features often require the latest version to appear in the interface. When PowerPoint reopens, look at the Home tab on the ribbon. On the right side, you should see the Copilot button. Click it to open the Copilot sidebar. From here, you can start using AI features like generating slides from a prompt, drafting speaker notes, or refining existing content. If you're brand new to Copilot, start by selecting a slide and asking it to summarize or rewrite the text so you can see how it interacts with your content. If Copilot still isn't visible, let's run through a few quick checks. Make sure you're using the desktop version of PowerPoint for Microsoft 365. Copilot isn't available in older perpetual versions like PowerPoint 2019 or 2021. Also confirm that connected experiences are enabled in your privacy settings within PowerPoint. These cloud-backed features need to be on for Copilot to function. If you previously turned them off for privacy reasons, enabling them allows the AI features to load. Finally, sign out of PowerPoint and sign back in with the eligible account. This forces a fresh token and can make new features appear after licensing or update changes. Once everything is set, the Copilot button on the Home tab and the sidebar are your indicators that you're ready to go. Keep your app updated, stay signed into the correct account, and ensure connected experiences are enabled, and you'll have Copilot ready to help you create and polish presentations faster and more effectively.